What I'm going to do in this video, it's a very simple thing. I'm going to when user tap on this main widget that you see in the screen on the emulator screen, it will rotate. So very simple. First of all, I'm going to get the this that widget, extract that widget as a for one single widget. So which is called main widget. I'm gonna I cut it. I got it into a different file, and I'm going to wrap this. I'm going to add more text and a button, so I'm going to wrap this inside a column widget. And I want them to be in the center, so I'm going to set main axis alignment to center. So first off, the widget below, I will add a text. I will add a text above the widget, which is called tap to rotate. So if you tap that, it will show that a user that if you tap on this widget, it will rotate. So, and to do that, we can wrap this widget, in this case main widget. I'm going to wrap this widget in the inner animated rotation widget. So this takes two required parameters. Uh, yeah, two required parameters, that's turns and duration, and also the child as well. So duration is the how much time it takes for the animation to complete, and the turns is the how much turn it should do, how much in this case, if you pass one here, then it will turn whole one round, whole turn. If you I'm here pointing 1.25, so it will basically be like a 90 degrees angle, 90 degrees rotation. So in this turn value, so I'm going to use a because I want to make a I want to change this turn value. The way I'm going to rotate this, I'm going to add this turn value, and I'm going to increase this turn value, so it will add the rotation animation. So in the by default, in the beginning it is 0.25. When I tap on this widget, and in the function called underscore rotate, it will add 0.25 to the existing turn underscore turn value, which is the state, and call set state. So I'm going to pass this underscore turn, that state value here. So if I tap on this, what it will basically do, it will add 0.25 to the existing value, which will which will in the animated version will add a animation to this rotation. So guys, that's it for this video. If you have watched this far, that means you are learning something. So please give it a like and share the video, and also subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you will get notified when I upload new videos. And I have uploaded a complete course on Flutter UI, so you can check out that in my channel. And I will be uploading on Flutter clean architecture, Flutter block with Firebase Open CRUD, and also provider state management, other state management uh, videos. So they will be like complete courses, like 5 hours long. So turn on the bell notification so you get notified, and let's meet in the next video.